Hey Tank, let me tell you what I had to deal with on my Cub Cadet lawn tractor. So the first time I tried to start it, after sitting for the winter, it would not start. It cranked and cranked. I checked the spark, I had spark, I had gas, but it would not start. And then finally it would start for like 10 seconds and it would smoke terribly. So then I gave up on it, let it sit for a few days, and then what you're seeing here, I went back just one more time to try it because I had in my mind that it was either a blown head gasket or the rings were bad because I was getting so much smoke. So I go start it this time. It starts right up, but it is smoking like crazy. So I mean, it's just a tremendous amount of smoke. Look at that smoke pouring out of the garage there. So now I go and check the oil, and if you can see on that dipstick, I am probably 2 quarts high on oil. I'm like, I know I changed the oil on this last summer. There's no way I put too much oil in it. What's going on? So from there, I go ahead and drain the oil out just to see what's going on. Okay, we're draining the oil, and look how it's running out like water. It smells like gas. So the oil is full of gas. So that's another clue. Definitely getting gas into the oil. Still could be possibly rings or head gasket. So from here I go ahead and fill up the oil, and I flush it out a little bit and just fill it up, not quite to the full mark, and try to start it again. And start out with a big puff of smoke, but you can see it's smoking a lot less, and you can tell it's only smoking out of one of the 2 cylinders. Cylinder on the right side of this picture, because the smoke coming out and no smoke coming out of the left side of the exhaust. It's a twin cylinder. There are 2 separate exhaust pipes going to the same muffler area, but you can tell the smoke is coming out of the cylinder there on the right side. So now I just want to see what happens. I go ahead and leave the tractor running, go in the house, clean up, leave it running for a good half an hour, and then I come back outside to check on it. So when I come back out, it's been at least half an hour. It's been raining the whole time. Now look, the smoke has pretty much cleared up. It doesn't show on the camera. If you look really closely, there's a little tiny bit of smoke coming out of that left cylinder. Now, this is an old tractor, so I'm not unhappy with that at all. I'll go ahead and check the oil level to see if I'm still getting gas in the oil, and it's right where I left it, just below full there. So what happened, I'm not sure. So definitely was not a head gasket. That would not cure itself. So possibly the rings were kind of stuck over the winter. Maybe not. Maybe just for some reason it got flooded the first time I tried to start it, and cranking and cranking, just pouring gas in there on top of the pistons, and the rings are old, so enough gas leaked by the rings, overfilled the oil. And of course, if you are running 2 quarts overfull on oil, the oil will get back up past the rings when you're running and burn, and you'll see all that smoke. So that is my theory. Either rings were a little stuck or not. Regardless, super flooded, so much that the gas went in past the rings, got into the oil a significant amount, and changing the oil and getting the right oil level, and it's fine. I mean, it's an old tractor, so I'm happy that it runs at all. So I'm pretty happy that it wasn't a major fix. So that's how that works.